everybody, it's me, Dream Girl Box Ambassador Leela, and today I got the latest quarterly Dream Box.
Leela the pet vet.
Let's see what's inside, because this is my second box as a Dream Girl Ambassador. Let's see. Ooh, here it says, welcome to Dream Squad, and it tells me everything I need to know about my boxes and gives me little hints. Here they give me a card where I can choose 3 months and I can write down 3 goals that I want to achieve. Ooh, I may achieve one this month. Courage Part 1. Wow, this is something new. It says, how to be a courageous girl who stands up for herself and others. And I'm pretty sure the person who wrote this is Dr. Bell, the owner of Dream Girl Box, and she's the author. I can't wait to read it. And it has a bunch of activities. Next, let's see. Next, I have a mirror, and it says, rise and grind. I can't wait to have it. No way, I got a water bottle, and it says, courageous girl. I just love the colors. Ooh, I love this tealish color and this purple. Wow, that's so cool. What's this? It's my courage jar with pink heart-shaped sticky notes. So I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing that when I feel courageous, I can write something down on a pink heart sticky note, and I'm gonna try to fill up my courageous jar with happy thoughts. No negative, bad. Let's see. Oh, let's check out this. It was in a little pink bag. Looks like it's a sleep mask. Actually, it says Girl Boss. Let's see if it can run. That's a new one. My bad. This is actually a headband. Let's see if I can put it on. I'm a girl box, yeah. I'm a girl box. That's who I am. Yeah, I'm a girl box. Because I'm an ambassador of Dream Girl Box. Yay! Next I have Fizzy Bath Confetti! A fruity custom fragrance made exclusively for Dream Girl Box. Confetti! It's blue and purple. I love it. Here, I got a t-shirt. Let's see what it says, because I have not seen these t-shirts at all. Oh God, I'm holding it upside down. Okay. It says, courageous girl. Nothing on the back. And it says, Dream Girl Box down here. I can't wait to wear it. It would be the perfect thing during quarantine. Me to wear when I'm busy. Next, I think this is a Dream Girl Box button. Now, I really don't know if there's anything else in here. Nope, just a bunch of paper confetti. I really love this. You want to see if I can open it? Let's see. I've never actually had heart-shaped pink sticky notes. I wonder, if they took a square sticky note and might just cut it out in heart shape. That would be cool. Or they just made heart-shaped sticky note. Anyway, this is cute. And they chose my favorite color, which is pink. Which I'm surprised. And while I'm stuck in quarantine, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a lot of time to do this. Thank you, Dr. Bell, for making us these activity books. Part 1, Courageous. I can't wait to read it. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I'll see you later.
Lena the